can see my videos, how I walk, and while I pray, how I pray and all that. When I climb on the steps and step down from the step, you can see all this. This is my situation, doctor. Please help me on this. For past 5 months, I'm not going to any work also. I'm at home. I have 3 children also, and I'm only 38 years. Just try to do. Please do your best to me, doctor. Thank you. May God bless you, doctor. Thank you. I've been taking the medicine for last 1 month. Today is actually a month, like last 16th I started, and today it's 15th normally, so it's nearly 1 month now. In this 1 month, the progress of my pain, like everything about my complaints and all has been reduced at the moment. As to say, I'll be taking, so mainly the problem, my numbness and my leg has reduced in the sense I can feel the reduce this thing, the pains and everything has been reduced a lot, and I can walk the way I send you that video how I walk, and I will send you a video today how I'm walking now. That video also, you just have a look at that video also, and you will know the different, like how I'm feeling now. So hopefully I feel like before Ramadan I will be completely all right, like. So mainly I have to thank, a very big thank for you, doctor. The way when I was actually, to be frank, I had that the mindset on me, the way I was walking, everything that was put me onto a corner way of the house. Like I was always thinking, I don't want to go out of the house, I want to be at home, where people used to think of me, the way I walk and all that. That has been positively, that has been changed a lot, like still I have that small this thing is there. I will hope for the best that